हाय हेलो नमस्ते वनक्कम आदाब. This is Urmila. आज हम जा रहे हैं Dal Lake. Dal is a beautiful lake located at Srinagar and it is the second largest after Wular being the first. The houseboats and shikaras are its main attractions. ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న ఈ చిన్న చిన్న బోట్స్ ని షికారాస్ అంటారు. ఎవ్రీ బోట్ హౌస్ వాళ్ళదే షికారాస్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ they'll help you to reach to the boat house. The moment you step into Dal Lake, you feel like you are in a different country. Lots of vendors come to you rowing to sell their products. You can get almost everything: fruits, veggies, barbecue, crafts, jewelries, what not. There is also a post office and an ATM in this Dal Lake. Isn't it crazy? Let's see how a boathouse looks from inside. Every boat has a hall, dining area, kitchen, and rooms. Previously, Britishers are not allowed to buy land here, that's why they made these houseboats. Boat is made up of devdar wood, which can withstand damage from being in water for long periods. Wow, చాలా బాగుంది కదా room. We have this cute little bathtub in our bathing room. To own a house, it costs you in crores. Minimum would be somewhere around 3 to 4 crores and the cost keep increasing with the luxury of the boat. అందుకే మనం రెంట్కి తీసుకొని ఉంటాం. ఎందుకు కొంటామండి? Every room is equipped with bed heaters to withstand the low temperatures at night, and hot water is available all the time. Package తో కాంప్లిమెంటరీగానే షికారా రైడ్ కూడా ఇస్తారు. They will take you around Dal Lake and the floating market, and you can experience the beautiful sunset in Dal Lake. During winter, the lake will be completely frozen. People play cricket and do ice skating over here. Next time, I should consider visiting Dal Lake in winter. Currently, there are more than 1200 houseboats in this lake, and government is not giving them permission to build a new one. The only way is to renovate the old one, but it is too difficult to find a skilled craftsman. There are hardly 2 to 3 craftsmen are left who know this work. It takes years of experience to tell a good log of devdar from an ordinary one. Even a minor mistake in finding the right wood could be disastrous, and the bottom of the hull will start decaying in just a few years. The main reason for not giving permission for new houseboats is they are polluting the lake. The residential colonies who live in the Dal Lake are also equally responsible for this. It is unfair to blame the houseboats for polluting the Dal Lake. And residential వాళ్ళని గవర్నమెంట్ ఖాళీ చేద్దాం అనుకునింది, బట్ అది కుదరలేదు. Honestly, I don't want to leave this place, but I have to. See you next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.